Welcome back to Tom's Kitchen. Today we'll be making some enchiladas, more precisely Guatemalan enchiladas. I got most of my prep done already. Speed up the process. Let's get to cooking. Okay, I got half an onion chopped up here, heating up, some water heating up here. And this comes up to temperature. I'm going to add some 3 carrots chopped up and half a pound of green beans chopped up. Got 2 bay leaves in the water. Now these aren't going to be like your normal enchiladas that you may be used to. If you're asking why I decided to do Guatemalan enchiladas, I have a friend from Guatemala. I asked them what they would like for my next cooking video. And she said enchiladas, so I chose to do some Guatemalan style enchiladas. At least that's what the internet calls them. So I've never been to Guatemala, but it's a nice place to visit, I believe. Now that it's translucent, I got 1.5 tomatoes chopped up here. Add that to the mix. And saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes. And to the point where we want them, we're going to remove about 2/3 of them. Set them aside. That's approximately 2/3. Now we have 1 tablespoon olive oil. And 1 pound of ground beef. Cook this until it's brown. The meat is brown. Okay, the water's boiled. It's time to boil. Here's the 3 carrots. Half pound of green beans. Just gonna cook them until they're softer, not completely mush. Okay, beef mixture is almost there. Turn off that stove, set that aside. We're going to start our tomato sauce. 1.5 cups of, or 1.5 tomatoes, diced up. Half an onion. You'll let them cook for a minute. A little olive oil. Cook this until the tomatoes are soft. Now you don't have to use, you can leave out the beef if you want. If you're vegan or vegetarian, what have you. And this is done cooking. Set that off to the side. Come back to it. Okay, here's random vegetables. This is 4 beets, boiled and chopped, peeled of course. Got 1 teaspoon thyme. All up. Then I take a half a cup of vinegar. Mix these all together. Season it with salt and vinegar, salt and pepper. To taste. Alright, got mostly everything done. We gotta mix up our tomato sauce, which will be in just a second. Okay, we're gonna blend this up until smooth. Yeah. Alright, now we get everything, all our ingredients ready. We're gonna start the assembly. We got some tostadas. Normally you'd fry them up yourself, but we're going to take a leaf of lettuce, place it down on each one. On top of that, we're going to put a couple tablespoons of our vegetable medley. I did forget to add the green peas in it, so fortunately I couldn't find fresh green peas, so let's go with canned. Top of that, we're going to add, so there's a couple tablespoons of vegetables on each, a couple tablespoons of the meat mixture, and we're going to take a slice of boiled egg and put it on the top of each one. And we're going to drizzle a tablespoon of tomato sauce on each one. A sprinkle of, normally you use queso seco, but I couldn't find that, or queso fresca. Grocery store didn't have any. You can use a feta exchange. It's very similar. It's a viable substitute. And lastly, a little bit of chopped fresh chopped parsley on it. Alright, now let's head on over to the table and taste them. See you in a bit. Alright, let's try them out. Here it goes. Pretty good. A little difficult to eat, but maybe the starter should be a little bit softer, maybe. But hey, it's the first on for me, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. Thank you, and have a great night.